Good morning, everyone. Aradhna Tiwari from Be the Change by Aradhna. Good morning. Oh, God. Hey, Sunena. Good morning, darling. Hello, Abhinav. Hello. Good morning. How's the morning? I have a lovely question today. Any questions that you guys have? Did you guys read today's question? It'd be great if you guys can read that question earlier, and so that if you have any questions, you're most welcome to ask me. Joining for the first time to listen. Awesome. Welcome, Abhinav. Thank you for joining in. I'm grateful for you to be here. What else is possible? I'm just waiting for everybody to come in and then I'll say what it is. Hello, Simran. Good morning. Hello, Umesh. Umesh, can I have the question? Anybody of you can get me the question, please? Message for me. Thought is always about past and future. What thought can you have in present? If in thought, are you in present? Yeah. Hey, Asta. Hello, Payal. How are you guys? So thought is always about the past or the future. So right now, if I actually make you present with it, what are you thinking in this very moment? If I ask you, what is the thought in your head? And is that of the present moment or is that of the past? So in the present moment, it's like actually gives you goosebumps. So I have been practicing this since yesterday, and I get that soul lightness in my world because it just like dissipates everything. So it's actually being so alive and present. So right now, if wherever whosoever would like to practice it with along with me, you can actually put your hello Shalu, welcome, hello Sahasra, good morning everybody. So put your barriers down. Barriers down is all your thinking mode, all your stresses, all your, so everything that you think is barrier. So it's like I should be doing, not be doing, this doing, blah, blah, doing. So all that just right now, let your mind go berserk. Let it drop down and just, otherwise if you can just put your hands and take your barriers down like slowly. Take your hands slowly down and just ask your barriers to drop down today. And here now go into the thought. If you go into the thought, can you see that you are in the past or in the future? So if you're not living in the present, how are you living? Where are you living? And then you're not actually enjoying the life. So is that fun? So what if you start asking and actually having the demand of living from the present, then you will have no stresses, no tensions, no fights. Nothing will show up because you will be so in present. In this moment, anybody have any thought? So Nana says, hey Arpita, good morning. When I'm present, everything that is perceived problem, it melts away. Yes, and why would you melt away, right? So it's like how easy it is to melt away things, but we don't use it. So this is a very natural, it's a very natural meditation. You don't even require a meditation in this. This is what you achieve after the whole meditation processes. Doing zillions of courses and zillions of classes. This is what actually you want to receive. This peace, this silence, this ease within you, it has nothing. And what stops you to live in this very moment, every moment? So Abhina says, lovely, thanks a lot, beautiful thought, eye-opener. Awesome, I like it that you liked it. So Umesh, it's so beautiful to be in the moment, correct? Yes, Umesh, it is so orgasmic. It is so orgasmic. Use relax to expand and out the barriers down after day call. How is it, Sunena, then? Arpita, hey Pradita, how are you? So it's about actually, my recommendation again to all of you would be keep asking yourself to relax. At any given point of time, relax. Just ask your body to relax, receive, relax, receive. Even if you don't understand what receive looks like, just take that, whatever Aradhna said, play it. Because if I give you too much of an explanation, then you will be too much into your heads again. And then again, the thought process starts. So what for today, every moment you be present with it and demand. I know you would forget it and you probably end up forgetting that, you were into that present moment and you tend to go to past or to the future. So what if that can be your home practice today, and that is when you can actually start living from a very joyful space and place. So hello Vijay, hello Vishal, welcome. So Asta says, present always seems to be the cautious of past lessons and the future. No, so if it's gonna be cautious, Asta, then you're putting your head. Then you're still into your head, still into the mind. Okay, right now, Asta, be in the present moment. Do you have any thought? Can you be cautious of that thought in this very moment? If there is a thought, that is either past or the future. So when there is no thought, it's blank, it's empty, it's silence. So Nana says, felt awesome. I feel trumped. I sense my receiving has opened up. Awesome, very nice. Asta, whether that present is right or not. So when that is a thought, who's telling you that the present is right or wrong is my question to you, Asta. How are you, Vijay? How are you, Vishal? Nice to have you here. Hi, Prabhakar. Prabhakar. How are you, Prakar? Today you are late, Prakar. It makes me smile. Asta, and why would you smile, right? You only have to cry to Aradhana. Cry story. If you see Aradhana, then it's only cry story for Asta. Yeah, Asta? Can we be having the smiling, laughter, joyful Asta ever? So everywhere you guys are actually choosing not to be happy is just a choice, guys. I mean, it's so simple. I gave you the most simplest way of going to be present and to be totally meditative. Who here did not felt that meditative mode in this very process? Do you have any past here? Do you have any future here? You're here now in this very moment. And when you be here, when you're present with your bodies, how orgasmically your body's turned on. Right? So relax and receive today is your home play, and be in this moment. As many moments you can give to yourself. My demand is 24/7 by that, and just be thoughtless. No thought, because thought is, the moment I'm like, since morning I'm playing, the moment the thought comes, I say, oh, okay, I'm gone in the past. Oh, I've got in the past, be here. And it's so much of fun to play with. Hey, Janvi, welcome. So, Umesh is totally in the moment. Morning, Janvi. So what else? What else is showing up, guys? Who all practice right now with me? Can you just give me your comments, and are there any questions around it? Relax and receive, and barriers down the whole day. Whatever you're doing, whatever you be, however you be, if you're getting stuck, be in the moment, come to the moment. And in this moment, you will have no thought. The whole idea is to be in the moment. And if you're moment, you're joyful, you're orgasmic, you're fun, you're enjoying every moment. That's me. That's how I live. Up to you, your choices. So I just thought that that'll be a kind of a quick meditation for all of you, like in a second meditation. So if people who have all the reasons of not doing meditation and not feeling peaceful and silent can play, that's an excuse now. If even after the smallest exercise, if you can't do it, it's actually, it doesn't even take a second to be in that moment. So just a choice. It's just a choice away. So be in the second, be in this moment, and also what if you can actually allow yourself today, let me give another home play. So what if you allow yourself to be in peace and silence, and let your mind wander wherever, because mind is only picking up the thoughts, and thought is always taking in the past or the future. So it doesn't let you be in the present. So just observe it, and what if you actually ask for the silence and quietness to show within you, and wonder what will that be. Hey Rishma, good morning, how are you? So any more questions, guys, whosoever are joining in? Else I am done for the day. I will wait for your questions if anybody of you have it. Otherwise, I am done for the day. I have nothing much to see. With every day passing by, I don't require to say much. I can just be. So what else is possible, unless you guys have more questions? Oh yeah, that reminds me. So we are coming up, I and my team are coming up with a new call. Can you mention it, Shivangi, here? So it's about anxiety, depression and stress. So which was a paid call, but now it's a 15-day, 15-minute live on Be The Change FB live page. So it starts, I think, 11th to 20th. It's in the evening, 8 to 8:15. and it's open to all, any and everybody. If you know anybody who's going through a depression and anxiety and have a fear issues, please guide them. You can put them to the link of Be the Change page, Facebook page, and I would be there every evening 8 to 8:15 for next 10 days, I guess. I think it's 10 days if I'm not mistaken. Correct me, Shivangi, if I'm there for more days. I guess it's 10 days. 11th to 20th, 8 to 8:15 Indian time. And anybody who's going through, and any and everybody is welcome to come and join that. Hi, Sudipta. So, yeah, Umesh says, thanks, Umesh. So it's 10 days, guys. So please, anybody who's actually going through, it can, no age restrictions, nothing. And I just want to, it just showed up that it has to go free and it has to be contribution to everybody right now with this corona thing going on. So would be grateful if you could come join me there and send people if they want to come in. Yeah, Simran, 10 days. Awesome. I'm also looking forward to that. And what fun can we have? And that'll be on the Be the Change page. Again, repeating it. Cool. Any more questions, guys? Else, bye-bye. And then see you tomorrow, 11:11. Have fun. Bye, guys.